Welcome back to the All Seasons channel. Today, Cameron the cameraman and I have a wonderful job to do. Do you sense the sarcasm in my voice? Yeah, we got a broken sewer pipe. The good thing is the broken one is actually gray water, but it's because of the black tank. There's that, I'll go over and show you, that little tag. Y'all need to start paying attention to this tag on these campers. Every one of these campers that has a tank flush has this little tag. I'll read it to you. Caution, sewer tank flusher. Sewer valves must be open when using this inlet. You may ask, what does that mean? It means leave the valves open when you're flushing your black tank. And some campers even have I've seen a flush on the gray tank as well. That means the gray one too. So I'm gonna take you on here and show you real quick what happens. We just got here, just started tearing into this, see what was going on. The gentleman said he had a small leak in the gray system. Let me show you the small leak. And we gotta finish getting some belly out of the way. We gotta get the tank back up in there. Well, I'll show you, just hang on. All right, there's our black tank. You see right there? The tank should be up on top of that metal bracket. So what's happened is, and the gentleman admitted to it, he turns the tank flush on, closes the valve, lets the tank fill up, then he pulls the valve. Okay? So that tank is not designed to take 40, 45, 50 pounds of pressure. So when that thing fills up, what it does is it swells up, starts looking like a football. When it does that, it gets more narrow and it can fall out like that. So let me show you what happened when the tank dropped down the 3 inches or so that it dropped down. There's one side of the gray pipe, there's the other side. You'll notice that there's a little leak there, right? Yeah, it only separated like 3 inches. So there's our leak. So what we got to do is get that tank back up in there and then repair the broken pipe, which I think is really going to be a complete nightmare. So yeah, don't really know how much of this I'm going to film, just because just working up in the belly of a camper is just a horrible place to try and take video. So this is going to be more for information. Why does it look like my eyes are so wide open? This is going to be more for information about, you know, I've got other videos too on managing your sewer system on your camper. I highly suggest you watch those too. So yeah, we're gonna get some more of this belly down. Say we started dropping the belly. A bug just flew in my ear. What was it? Oh, okay. As long as it wasn't a bee. Yeah, we got to get more of this belly down, and so we can get to the brackets that hold that tank up, because we have to take that bracket loose and get that tank back up in there and go from there. All right, I'll get back to you in a little bit. All right, like I told you, we didn't show you putting that tank back. That was a nightmare. Me and Cameron, it took all 4 hands, both feet, and half of our bodies to get that tank back up in there. We actually used a jack and blocks of wood and stuff, and had to take that one brace off over here, take it loose, and get that tank back up in there where it belongs. Then we got this pipe here pulled back up where it belongs with that hopefully you can see it, with that strap material, and screwed it to the frame so that we could get this up where it belongs. That put our fitting back together and I used a Fernco fitting on that to put that pipe back together. And we're getting ready to leak test it. As long as it passes leak test, we're gonna call it good. All right, this was not a step-by-step DIY video by any means. It's more of an informative video, and we just there's no way in the world we could have videoed that repair, because it's a nightmare. But anyhow, we appeared to pass the leak test, and we're gonna wrap this thing up, put the belly back. If you made it this far in the video, thank you. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. Ring the notification bell. And me and Cameron, we're gonna go down the road and fix another one, and y'all have a fantastic day.